Imagine that you love movies and have obtained an Excel file like this one, with more than 15,000 films. Perfect. However, when you want to explore it, you find that it is not that easy. The search formulas are complicated, and PowerQuery also requires some knowledge, as well as some preparation tasks. With QuickRows you can analyze your listing instantly. Simply press the Ctrl+3 key combination, and in a few moments, you will have a powerful analysis console in front of you, specially configured to scan and analyze your list immediately. For example, how many films have Robert De Niro and Al Pacino worked on together? The totalizers in the header show the result. Which movies have won the most Oscars? By double-clicking on the header of any column, we can sort it ascending or descending. What year was the Apocalypse movie released? How many different directors have worked in these films? How many movies did Sidney Lumet direct? Who has been the most prolific director? A pivot table will give us the answer. It is built on a new sheet by selecting a couple of cells from the desired column and pressing the Ctrl+2 combination. Double-clicking on it creates a copy of the content and is automatically sorted in descending order. Very good. Let's go back to the analysis table. How many movies were released in 2018? How has film production evolved over time? To answer this question, we created a pivot table to count the release year of each movie, and then we plotted the result by pressing F11. We could continue to analyze our listing in much more depth, and with the same ease. QuickRows has provided us with a magnificent tool to do it without having knowledge of Excel. That is why it is so powerful. We invite you to try it for free. Download it right now and convince yourself. See you in the next video.